Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw a super cute snake. His name is Gary DeSnake from the newest animated movie Zootopia 2. Let's draw together. First, we start with the eyes. Let's draw a tall vertical oval. Inside this oval, draw a small circle for the pupil. Nice and slow. Now do the same thing for the other eye. Make sure the two eyes are spaced about 1.5 pupil widths apart. That makes Gary look friendly and funny. Now color both pupils black. Great job! Next, draw a big oval around each pupil. Yes, just like that. And repeat it on the other side. Awesome! We have finished drawing the eyes. Now, let's draw two tiny nostrils between the eyes, just two small curved lines. Next is the eye bags. Draw soft curved lines from the eyes going outward. This makes Gary look kind and relaxed. Do the same on the other side. Now, let's shape the top of the head. Draw a soft V-shape curve. Perfect! Time for the mouth. Draw a smiling mouth because Gary is very happy today. Don't forget to add one little fang on the left side. Oops, Gary lost the fang on the other side recently. That makes him even cuter. Now draw the outer face line to complete the head. Take your time, you are doing amazing! Next, move to the chin. In the middle, draw two matching curved lines going down. This creates the neck and body. Now we draw the body coils. Use similar curved lines to show the snake body curling around. We will draw 3 body layers stacked together. Nice and smooth. Finally, draw a tail. Make it slightly curved and lifting up on the left side. Very playful. Now add small scale shapes on the body using tiny curved lines. And yes, the line drawing is complete. Great job, everyone. Now let's color. Color the mouth red. Color the eyes yellow. Add small white highlights in the eyes to make them shine. Now use the signature blue color to color the head. Color the upper half of the head blue. At the top of the head, use a darker blue to add depth. For the lower half of the face, use a lighter blue. Use light blue to color the rest of the body. To make Gary look more lively, add darker and medium blue shades to the body and body edges. Use a darker blue on the left outer edge of the neck. This adds a nice shadow effect. Finally, draw a small, cute heart next to Gary, because everyone loves him. Look at your drawing. It looks amazing. You did such a great job today. Thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Bye-bye, little artists.